Hi guys, thank you so much for watching That Petty Cheek. I'm Dhanashree and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to color my hair blue. If you guys have watched my family reacts to my blonde hair, you probably know I'm going to color my hair blue. But if you don't, now you know. This is the color that I'm gonna use. This is by Streax. It's the Hold and Play Wonder Blue. This is the one I'm gonna use. This is the tube basically. I'm gonna pour everything in here. मैंने इतना सा ही लिया अभी तक. It's like I'm not able to see anything, so it's a little scary, but let's see how it goes. Guys, so I'm done. मैं इसे रखने वाली हूँ for 30 minutes और अभी I'm gonna wash my face to remove all of this. So wish me luck. I hope it does not turn green. थोड़ा teal, bluish teal green हुआ तो it's okay. I'm prepared for it. But I don't wanna go green, so let's hope for the best. Okay guys, so this is how my hair looks. It's very patchy. I know, like यहाँ पर it's little green, little blue. It's very patchy. साथ ही this side, can you see? This part, this was the lightest I had, like the bleached. It is very beautiful. It's looking so gorgeous. Okay guys, so this is how my hair finally looks. It is teal and a bluish mix, I would say. The front sections are pretty blue and the back side of my hair is teal because I did not bleach it that well. If you haven't seen my bleach video, I'll link it up above. Do check it out. There are a few things that I would like to address when I was coloring my hair blue and I would like to share with you guys. So the first one is and has to be, the better the bleach, the better the color. So as you can see, these parts right here are pretty blue, right? It's because these strands were bleached perfectly, and that is the reason it is super blue. And rest of my hair, as you can see, is almost teal, is because I did not bleach it that well and it was very patchy and all of that. So that is the reason the front section of my hair is amazingly done. Like, it has the perfect blue in it, but the rest of my hair is teal. Second thing, I would like to say, it is very cost effective if you do at home compared to if you go and do it at a salon. I'm pretty sure if you visit a salon, it will be hassle free and you just have to sit there, that's all. But you're gonna save a lot of money if you do it at home. I'll tell you how. So I did it globally and it cost me around 850 rupees including the bleaching process. So I'll just break it down for you guys. The bleach that I used was by Streax for 50 rupees each. Yeah, one packet for 50, and I used it, like I used 6 of them with one developer, so it is around 400 yeah, 300 for the bleach and 100 for the developer, and 450 for the hair color that I used. So the color I used was by Streax. So this is the one that I use. It is the Streax Professional Hold and Play Wonder Blue. There are tons of color in it: red, blue, green, pink, purple. So yeah, if you are looking for coloring your hair blue, pink, purple, this is your color. I would say it is really cheap, budget friendly, and also does amazing job. Also, it covers the hair twice, like the whole hair, my whole head. I did it twice. I did it once by myself, as you saw in the video, and once my mom did it for me because I could not cover the patches in the back. So I know it's still very patchy in the back. There are bits and pieces of blue, bits and pieces of teal. I know it because of the bleach. I couldn't get it right. So if you bleach your hair perfectly, this is going to be amazing, because these strands right here looks beautiful. If you are someone who just want to do from half of your hair, like half the hair, you are gonna need only say half the amount of bleach that I used. It will be more than enough for you, and half the amount of tube, not half, in half ka half for the tube. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. अगर आपको ये video थोड़ी सी भी helpful लगी हो, please consider subscribing. Also hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe one, so you will be notified every time I put up a new video on YouTube. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye.